So in the previous technique, so we saw the how to multiply the series of nines, right? So now in this technique we will see how to multiply the numbers of series of ones. Generally the series of ones is numbers multiplication with 1, 11, 111, 1000, 111, so on. Normal multiplication with 11, these all are easy, but still we can do some more simple technique whenever you want to multiply with 11, 111, so on. So let us begin with multiplier 11 first. Normally any number is multiplied with 1, you'll get the same number. So when you see the next one, let us take one question. 32 multiply with 11. Normally when you are doing multiplication, we'll take with 1, right? Normal multiplication. 1 times 2. So same number. 1 times 3 is 3. And we'll give the gap here or 0 or cross. Again with 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. By adding this 2, 5, 3. So instead of taking this much process, just by seeing the number, like question is 3, 2. Whenever you want to multiply with 11, this number should be multiplied with 11, right? Take this first unit's place as it is, this place of 2 as it is. Again with this 2, add the next number. Adding this both, 2 plus 3. So that is equals to 5, right, in the place of 5. Again this tens place, the number is as it is 3. Simple. So 352 will get. Units place, again adding with units and tens place, again tens place is as it is. In case when adding, if you get higher number, let us see one more example. Okay, if you see normal example again, for example 43 when you want to multiply with 11. So direct one, just write the 3, add this 3 plus 4, 7, again you add this 4 as it is. So 473. In case if a number getting more than single digit when you are doing addition, so what we should do? Let us take 64 multiply with 11. Okay, so in this case, just you can take the number as it is first. Units place is as it is 4, right? This 4 is as it is. When you are adding this 4 with the next digit, plus 4 plus 6 is 10. So 10 is the 2-digit number. Only 0 you can write, that 1 you can carry to this next place. Next, when you are adding this tens place, 6 plus this 1 is 7. So in case if you get the 2-digit number, units place right here, the tens place you can carry to the next one. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so this is the multiplication with 11. Let us go for the higher number now. In case if you take one more number, not only 2-digit, if you take even 3-digit, 4 digits, anything is same. If you take question 652, same, multiply with 11. So see the steps. This 2 as it is. Then next step, with the 2, only two numbers you have to add. So 2 plus 5. You can write this is 7. Again continuation. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 should be here and 1 carried to the next. When you are adding this 6 to this one, 7. So 7172. Not of writing this lengthy, just using this technique you can follow. Let us go for the multiplication with 111. Next level. Okay, let me take one number. 203. When you have to multiply this is with 111. So because of 3 ones, so we'll add 3 times each. Okay, let me show you the steps here. So this example, take 203. I'm writing in broad to understand clearly. First of all, we need to multiply this 203 with 11. So this units place as it is, write 3, right? Again 3 plus next digit with this. First one, again 1 plus this. So 3 plus, you can add. 3 plus 0 is again 3 it is. Then 3 plus 0 plus 2. Again next to 2. Along with this 3, one more. Continuously you have to add. 3 plus 0 plus 2. By adding all the 3 digits, you'll get the 5. Once it is 3 are over, again we'll start with 0. Again with 0 plus 2. Plus 2 is 2 it as it is. Again next finally this 2 is as it is. So 22,533. Let me write the lengthy way to write the step by step. I'll write to understand clearly. One more big number I'll let me take. For example, if you get more than single digit, you can carry that number to next one. Okay, first okay, take the bigger number 201,432. 2 lakhs 1,432 multiply with 11 or 111, right? Is the number. First step, this move 2 as it is. So 2 in the units place, multiplicand is written as the units digit as answer. So step 1, this is 2 as it is will take. First step. Again 2 plus 3. So 2 as it is first. Next 2 plus 3. 2 plus next number I am writing here steps. So 5. Next again 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. Because of 3 ones, right? Up to 3 you have to count. 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, that is 9. Right? You can continue now. So once 3 are over, now start with 2. With 2, 3, 4 is over. Now next we start with 3. Again 3 numbers. So 3 plus 4 plus 1. 3, 4, 1. That is 8. 3 over, next with 4. Start with 4. Again left side 3 number always. 4, 1, 0. 4 plus 1 plus 0. By actually, if you practice well, just by observing the number only, we can write answers. Just only single digit addition, right? We can make. 4 is over. Now next with 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 2. So 3 it is. Start with 1 plus 0 plus 2. Again only with 0. 0 plus 2. It is 2. Then finally only 2 we have. This last number is as it is again. 2 it is. So this entire we can write. So finally this from top number to down. So 2, 5, 9, 8, 5, 3, 2, 2. These all just only by observing only we can count in mind. Then we can write. So this topic just only introducing to count the numbers in mind calculation. So it will be helpful. Same way you can do more than 3 ones like 1,111. That means 4 numbers you have to repeating counting how to do this. Okay, this is one of the method, and same similar terms instead of 111, 999, like 222, 333, those type of multiplications also we'll see now.